In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download all files from your Google Drive efficiently and securely. Whether you're creating backups or just need everything in one place, this guide will help you achieve that with ease. Let's dive right in. First, what you want to do is open your web browser and head over to takeout.google.com. This website is a special tool provided by Google, designed to help you download your data across all Google services. Once you arrive at the home page, you'll notice a list of all the various Google services from which you can export data. Look through this list to find Drive, as this is our target today. You can either scroll to find it or use the search function for quicker access. Once you've located Drive, ensure that it's selected. You'll see a toggle switch or checkbox next to it, so go ahead and select that if it isn't already turned on. This action will tell Google Takeout that you want to download data specifically from Google Drive. There's no need to worry about deselecting all the other services unless you want an exclusive focus on Drive data. Now with Drive selected, scroll down to the bottom part of the screen. You'll see the Next Step button, which you should click. This takes you further into the process where you will configure the export options. Here comes the customization part. Choose your preferred delivery method. This determines how you want to receive your exported files. You can save them directly to a cloud storage service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, or get a download link via email. For most users, receiving a download link via email is a straightforward and manageable choice. Next, you'll decide on the frequency of the export. If this is a one-time download, make sure to select that option. However, if you're planning periodic backups, you can opt for the scheduled export feature, which will create automatic archives every 2 months over the next year. After that, you'll select the file type and size. Commonly, compressed formats like .zip or TGZ are offered. These options are fantastic for consolidating your files into easy-to-handle packages. Also, consider the file size. If you choose a larger size, you'll end up with fewer downloadable files. This is generally more convenient unless your internet connection has limitations on large downloads. Once your configurations are set, click Create Export. Be aware that the preparation of your files might take a while depending on how much data needs to be processed. After the export is ready, you'll receive an email containing a link to download your files. Simply click the link, follow the instructions to download your data, and you'll have your files securely saved on your device. And there you have it. The entire process is complete.